when you're moving and grooving, let's talk about speed. Displacement, velocity, take the lead. Acceleration tells how fast you change. If you're slowing or growing, it's in the range. First up, the basics, let's keep it tight. V equals U plus add, alright. Where V is the final and U is the start. Multiply A and T, play it smart. Wanna know how far you've gone? Step, hold on. Motion's math, don't be afraid. With these three laws, you're getting paid. Speed it up, slow it down. Equations of motion all around. If you fall, or if you race, physics keeps you in your place. Distance, time, velocity, put them in and you will see Newton's laws are working tight. So keep that physics game real bright. Now, say you wanna find out the space with no time in the mix, it's a simpler case. V squared, U squared, 2A's. Plug it in, let's ace that test. Dropping fast or going far, acceleration makes you a star. Gravity pulls at 9.8 meters per second, don't be late. Now take a break, let's visualize a car, a plane up in the skies. Everything moves with time and place, physics rules in every race. Speed it up, slow it down, equations of motion all around. If you fall, or if you race, physics keeps you in your place. Distance, time, velocity, put them in and you will see Newton's laws are working tight. So keep the physics game real bright. Motion, motion everywhere. Now you know, so be aware. Solve it right, don't hesitate. Ace that test and graduate.